reduce in snowfall. So chances are, if you just need to be able to move it with a broom instead of a shovel. The weekend will be a little bit cooler early on, but we'll see some nice changes towards Monday of next week. Even though it isn't time to work week, we'll take temperatures in the mid 30s anytime we can get them.
Come over here.
Especially after what we just saw.
Yeah.
Come here.
Just put it in perspective. All right. Thanks for joining us. You'll get a great day.
Yes, she's a good girl. Come over here. Say hi.
I believe this has become one of the preeminent forums to discuss profound issues. It's the kind of school where somebody who cares about them as a teacher can learn all the key principles of law, both for their own personal life and their own personal profession, but also a citizen to be more effective at helping the country. I can't imagine a better place in America to have that kind of conversation. This is an institution which now touches the lives of thousands of people.
ABC 5 is helping build a better community with a one classroom at a time education grant.
Hey, come here.
We're teaming up with Bank of Sun and Prairie Meadows to award one deserving classroom, a $1,000 grant, and a life-changing cultural workshop. I'm really excited about it.
Over here.
I really Visit myabc5.com or any Bankers Trust location and pick up an application for this year's grant. You have the power to